to me carefully.
If the yellow gear makes
Oh.
one, what's that?
Rotation. Oh.
How many will the blue gear make?
What does it mean?
I don't know.
If the yellow gear makes one rotation, how many will the blue gear make? One. Option one, less than one. Exactly one. More than one. Less than one. Are you sure?
아니야?
Are you sure? Select the gears that complete fewer, not more, fewer rotations than the yellow gear.
근데 아빠가 이미 하나 골랐는데?
Did I? Is that all?
근데 이건 똑같은 거 같아요.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, I think that is right then.
Check. Click on it.
No.
Oh, Sammy, you got it right. You can do it as that. You can do it, Sammy. Select the gears that turn in the same direction and at the same speed as the yellow gear. Which gear is the fastest one?
I
in
know
this, in this
now.
picture. Which one? Tell me.
초록색이야.
That's right. Why? The reason is that's correct. What fraction of races has Monkey Pong won so far? This one, this one, this one.
200, 500.
That's right. What fraction of races has Monkey Pong now won? This one?
나 아는데.
What's the answer?
54 is right.
Yeah. So, which number is bigger? This one or this one?
101.
This one? Option 1, they are the same. Option 2, 50 over 100 is bigger. Option 3, 51 over 101 is bigger.
이건 기억이 안 나네.
What's your choice, Daniel? It's a Sammy's choice. Which one is bigger? This one or this one? If he wins 3 more races, what fraction will be? Will he have one?
네.
Oh, check, check.
그래서 답하네.
This statement says the left side is greater than the right side. And this statement says the left side is smaller than right side. This is true? Why? Why do you think so?
내가 해봐서 더 크니까.
Put the robot in their finishing order. 1. A finished after B. A finished after B. B finished after C. A finished after B.
이렇게 안 돼?
B finished after C. Wow. Do you agree, Henry?
What?
C finished in the middle. C finished in the middle. Where's the middle? That's right. C finished in the middle, right? And then, B finished it before A. So this order is right. B finished after D. And A finished in third place. Check. Try again.